It was amazing.
It was almost life-changing.
Explore the International Space Station as you journey through an out-of-this-world virtual reality experience that will leave you breathless.
First few steps that you take into the room don't even feel real. It's just stars underneath you.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to really experience what the astronauts experience.
You can go any direction you want. You can explore.
It's as real as you can get without going into space.
It gives you a sense of wonder that it's hard to put into words. You really have to experience it.
Do it. Just do it.
The Infinite. Lifting off on December 20th at Sawyer Yards near downtown Houston.